Hi guys, this is Tony. Uh, Apparently, I just got word about something special this morning, and you're you're not gonna believe it. What's happening? Yeah, yeah, that's right. What could that be? Oh, 6703 leading. Yeah, 95. Oh, that's a military train. Man, this is cool. Lots of tanks on there and all that. Imagine that. There goes that. Well, there goes that military train going by, and see you in the next video when the Interface gets here. So, bye.